Imagine riding down the open road and carrying your entire home with you. Not in a massive RV, not in a bulky trailer, but on a sleek, three-wheeled machine that turns heads everywhere it goes. What you're looking at is something truly special. A stunning 2026 camper tricycle built from the legendary Honda Goldwing. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic touring bike. But take a closer look, and you'll realize it's actually a tiny home on wheels. This incredible creation combines adventure, freedom, and minimalist living into one unforgettable ride. For people who dream of escaping rent, exploring the world, and living simply, this tiny mobile home could be the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. From the front, the design instantly captures attention. The powerful frame and signature styling of the Honda Goldwing remain, but behind the rider's seat, something magical appears. A beautifully crafted camper cabin integrated into the tricycle body. The transformation from luxury motorcycle to micro home is seamless. It feels futuristic yet practical, compact yet surprisingly comfortable. The three-wheel design gives the vehicle incredible stability. Unlike a traditional motorcycle, the camper tricycle can balance easily even when parked, which makes it perfect for travel and overnight stays. Whether you're cruising along scenic highways, exploring mountain roads, or pulling into a quiet lakeside spot, this machine gives you the freedom to stop and live wherever the road takes you. But the real surprise is what's hidden inside the camper. Step around the back and you'll discover a tiny living space that looks like it came straight out of a futuristic minimalist apartment. The interior is compact but thoughtfully designed to maximize every inch. A comfortable sleeping area folds out from the main seating space, creating a cozy bed perfect for resting after a long ride. Soft lighting, smart storage compartments, and clever folding furniture make the cabin feel welcoming rather than cramped. Imagine parking under the stars, opening the camper door, and stepping into your own little sanctuary after a long journey. Above the sleeping area, small shelves hold travel essentials, books, or cooking supplies. There's room for a portable stove, a mini cooler, and even charging ports for devices powered by a compact battery system. Some builds even include small solar panels on the roof to help generate electricity during the day. It's tiny living taken to the extreme, but in the best possible way. The beauty of this camper tricycle is how it blends two worlds together: motorcycle adventure and the tiny home movement. Instead of spending thousands every month on rent or a traditional house, this concept offers a completely different lifestyle. One where your home moves with you, where every sunrise can be in a new location, and where the open road becomes your backyard. And because it's built on the reliable Honda Goldwing platform, it's not just about looks. The Goldwing has long been known as one of the most comfortable touring motorcycles ever created. Smooth power, excellent suspension, and long-distance reliability make it the perfect base for a travel machine like this. That means this camper tricycle isn't just a cool idea. It's a practical road-ready vehicle designed for real adventure. Picture waking up early in the morning, opening the small camper door, and stepping outside to a breathtaking view of mountains, forests, or ocean waves. There's no noisy hotel hallway, no expensive booking, no rush to check out. Just pure freedom. Make a quick cup of coffee with your portable stove, sit beside your tricycle home, and watch the sunrise. Moments like that are what this lifestyle is all about. The design also turns heads everywhere it goes. People are naturally curious when they see a camper attached to a tricycle motorcycle. At gas stations, campsites, or scenic overlooks, travelers often stop to admire the creativity of the build. Some ask questions, others take photos. It becomes more than just transportation. It becomes a conversation starter and a symbol of a different way of living. What makes the 2026 version even more exciting is the futuristic styling. Smooth aerodynamic panels, modern LED lighting, and sleek metallic finishes make the camper tricycle look like something from the future. Yet the concept remains beautifully simple: a small, efficient home that moves with you. And in a world where housing costs keep rising, ideas like this are becoming more appealing every year. Minimalist living isn't just about saving money. It's about freedom from clutter, freedom from huge responsibilities, and freedom to explore life on your own terms. This camper tricycle represents that philosophy perfectly. Instead of a giant house filled with unused rooms, you get exactly what you need: a place to sleep, a place to rest, and the entire world waiting outside your door. The compact size also makes traveling easier than with traditional RVs. Large motorhomes can struggle with tight roads, parking areas, and fuel costs. But a camper tricycle remains agile, efficient, and easy to maneuver. You can explore places that larger vehicles simply cannot reach. Hidden beaches, forest trails, quiet countryside roads. They all become accessible when your home is this small and mobile. Of course, living this way requires a spirit of adventure. Space is limited, so every item must have a purpose. But for many travelers, that simplicity becomes part of the joy. When life becomes lighter, travel becomes richer, the road becomes your routine. New places become your neighborhood, as more people search for affordable housing alternatives. Creative designs like this are inspiring a new generation of travelers and tiny home enthusiasts. Some dream of building their own camper tricycle. Others simply love the idea of combining motorcycles with micro-living. But one thing is certain. Once you see this stunning 2026 Honda Goldwing Camper Tricycle Tiny Home, it's hard to forget it represents freedom, creativity, and the courage to live differently. Imagine this for a moment. The engine starts with a smooth rumble. The road stretches endlessly ahead. Your home is right behind you. No rent, no heavy mortgage, no limit.